snow is falling down and it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday.
Hey y'all, it's been a minute. So this is next week. And I finally started my job, which I'm excited about. Now I'm just cooking dinner. I wasn't able to check in earlier this week, but I was able to do my orientation, and then that took like 3 days to do. Today was my official first day meeting my supervisor, who seems amazing. I'm so excited to work with them. You know, as someone who has the same demographic, and not to be biased, been in civil service for a while now, which is cool because I can learn a lot from her, and you know, learn how she was able to navigate those boundaries, or not boundaries, just navigate being a woman in the workplace, and a woman of color at that. So that's really cool. That's really cool. I'm excited about that. Also, let me turn this down. She has come from different fields of work, so that's exciting as well. What else? I'm just excited for the new opportunities that may be able to come from this. I want to learn as much as I can. Yeah, I'm excited. So, of course, you know, when you first start a job, you're doing like all these trainings and stuff. So that's what I'm doing. I was able to, yeah, so I'm doing all those trainings and all of that. So that is that. Cooking tonight. Last night I wanted to film, like, cause I cooked some Salisbury steak, and y'all, that was so good. Like, it was so good, with some rice and some green beans. Tonight I'm gonna cook some brown rice with some General Tao, I think that's how you say it, chicken. I really wanted orange chicken because, y'all, listen, let me tell y'all, I always wonder who keeps Arby's in business, right? And some people may think the same thing for Panda Express, but I feel like you have to give credit where credit is due. Panda Express's orange chicken is good. Like, it is good. So, trying to save money, so I'm gonna make my own version as close as possible. I know General Tao is not orange, but it's gonna work for us today. Baby girl has just taken her tub bath, so she's down. The lighting is stupid. I feel like, had I known about the opportunities and the different programs, I would have invested a lot more time and effort into, like, they have so the different programs they had. Let me just put y'all up. Okay, so the different programs they had are, like, for instance, Copper Cap, which is if you want to go into like contracting. There's also Palace, Acquire. So if you just have if you're a recent grad and let's say you want to go in whatever field of study they have, which I think logistics management and a few others fall under that, and you just have to be a recent grad, right? Or yeah, a recent grad. They also have internship programs and such. And I just wish I would have known. I wish there was a career counselor to kind of push that. And I think that's why I have an interest in HR, because I want to be that advocate for somebody else. You know, I want to give them those resources that they may not have, especially those of color and those of those minorities. Right? And I don't need to go into why it's important for minorities to be aware of these programs. Many of us already know. Right? So I want to expose them to that. Give them the opportunity to even try, because you do have to apply and you do have to be found eligible, but to at least know and to at least apply, right? So that is why I'm really interested in HR. Right now, my role is more like administrative, and that's fine. I'm going to try to capture again as much information as I can as possible. And then hopefully those skills will be transferable in the HR side of things. And yeah, I just really wish I would have known earlier on. But I mean, some may say, well, I'm still young, because I am 27, so I still have a lot to learn. I'm still in my 20s, so, and I don't plan on having any more kids. My daughter is a blessing right now. Once I am able to get in my career, I think, and just get financially comfortable, then we'll have another child, and then another area, because I've already given my spiel about this area. And I learned actually a lot more about this area on the more business side of things, and how what I was experiencing and how it translated on the actual business side of things. And it just felt good to know it was not just me feeling those feelings, and hearing how other people's experiences translated on the business side, and how their experiences have impacted the business. I'll say that. That was very interesting, because the numbers are pretty high, and I don't even need to go into detail on that, but yes, it's just good to know it's just not me. And they are making efforts to work on that. But anyways, I'm excited. And then this week, hubby is going to play basketball, so we might go to his basketball game tomorrow, or like go to the game tomorrow. So I'll try to get some footage from that. And then I'll try to show Din Din tonight. But yeah. Yep. So I'll come back and show dinner. I'm tired. I got up early today, but I'm tired still. So just, I think, more so emotionally. And I was excited like a little kid this week. Like, oh, I started a new job. So excited. Couldn't really sleep. You know, jumping up really, really early. I got to adjust to this time. But yes, I will be back. Okay, so I have my chicken. I'm just going to cut these up into cube slices. I didn't have flour because my husband forgot to get the flour. So we're going to use a little bit of cornstarch. And we're going to use a little bit of the flour that I have. This was all-purpose flour. Next I have my chopped onions. I have some peas and carrots. I'm going to add some rice because we're going to do our own like fried rice. And then I have my butter melting for that because we're going to, I don't have any garlic, so that's fine. We're just going to use what we have. Then I have the brown rice like I was showing you. And then I have some egg I'm going to add in. I'm also going to add in some green onion. And that's how we're going to do our fried rice. Now, of course, you can add in your seasonings. What I usually do is just some salt. And I'm going to do a little bit of, here's a little trick in your fried rice. Try adding some of this bouillon, and then I'm going to also add in a little bit of soy sauce. Don't want to do too much salt. And then sesame oil, and that's going to really tie in all of the flavors for the fried rice. And then I'm just going to come back once I do all that.
And the snow is falling down, and it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say.
Put the stickers on.
And I claim Christmas
Ooh,
is
good
a
job.
magic day.
Yay!
What glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to.
Where you gonna put
I
it?
am on my way.